Hello friends, let's talk about a new topic, which is about cryptocurrency. What is cryptocurrency and how cryptocurrency works and different aspects of cryptocurrency. So friends, I hope you will like my video. I will upload more videos like that, so I hope you will enjoy that. So friends, let's begin with our topic. The topic is all about cryptocurrency, how cryptocurrency works and different aspects of cryptocurrency. Let's talk with the basic theme, the basic coin, which is cryptocurrencies coin is Bitcoin, which is the oldest and the most has a high price in the market. Once there was a time when there was no value of this Bitcoin, but now everyone knows the value of this Bitcoin, which is very high. Bitcoin is the cryptocurrency system, is a decentralized system in which nobody can regulate the system of cryptocurrency. It is done by the cryptographic graph, which ensure the transparency of this system. And cryptocurrency, it's very amazing in itself. You know how it works. It is a decentralized system. It is not under the control of anyone. So this is about the cryptocurrency. I hope you will like video. I will talk more about these topics later. So I hope you will enjoy. So friend, till next video, take care. Bye.